8 contestants.
8 contestants.
Stuck in a basement, locked up. The winner, the person who survives the longest without dying, will survive. We have made previous tapes. We will not tell you who wins. We will not tell you who loses. But all I know is that King over there looks pretty hardy. Nah, she's not that good.
Yeah.
That Amber looks pretty good. I think she's going to win first.
My hair.
The order that they're going to go in is the King, then the construction worker, then Amber, then Shanae, then the Mexican chef, then the monster.
Would you have to say monster? I'm gonna win! Okay, a little weird.
So, who will win? Who will lose? And who will just be freaking retarded? Find out in the next 7 episodes. 7 episodes of Survivor Puppet Basement. Dun, dun, dun.
This production is made by blank and blank. Yes.